So in this particular crash, the plumbing truck was at fault because traffic in his lane came to a standstill. But instead of slowing down and keeping a safe distance in front of the car that was in front of him, what he did was he changed lanes rapidly into the leftmost lane and crashed into that car. That car had nowhere to go because he was just driving safely in the left lane between the concrete barrier and then the plumbing truck on his right. So it's definitely the plumbing truck's fault for an unsafe lane change.